Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to turn off notifications for reminders on the Facebook app on your PC, especially following the latest update. If those constant reminder alerts are starting to get on your nerves, don't worry. This quick guide will help you take control and silence them for good. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on your main feed, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the notifications icon. This usually looks like a little bell. Click on it to open your notifications drop-down menu. Next, right at the top of this notifications panel, you'll notice 3 dots stacked vertically. That icon is your gateway to more notification options. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a menu. From this menu, choose Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize exactly how and when Facebook notifies you about various activities. On this settings page, scroll through the list to find Reminders. Click on it to open the Reminder Notifications options. Here, you'll see a toggle or checkbox labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. To stop receiving those reminder alerts, simply disable this setting. Once you've turned off the toggle, Facebook will no longer bombard you with reminder notifications while you're using the app on your PC. It's as simple as that. Taking these steps gives you greater control over your Facebook experience and helps reduce distractions so you can focus on what really matters. If you want to revisit this setting later, just follow the same path to turn reminders back on. Thanks for watching.